Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. And I've got two tricks for you that will help you save money on your fuel purchases and increase your gas mileage between 3 and 10 miles to the gallon, no matter what you're driving. So stick around. This is some good stuff. Hey everybody, welcome back. Thank you for stopping by. So I was going to give you a little trick on how to get more mileage per gallon in your car and how to get cash back for every gallon of gas you purchase. I'm not promoting it. I don't have a link. You can find this at Walmart. It's about $6.97 to $7.49, or you can find it at any auto parts store. It's Lucas 3X Octane Booster. I'm going to show you what we're going to do. So, give it a little shake. It's really simple. This treats up to 25 gallons. So, and you can see, brand new car. I've been using this stuff for a long time. I absolutely trust it. And pour the whole thing into the tank. It is 15 ounces. And again, it does treat 25 gallons of fuel. So we're going to let this just drip in here. Okay, done. I always cap it up just in case. That way, it is kind of oily. Now, this is the best part. A little closer. So, first of all, put the card in. And no, you do not need to use the higher grade fuels either. So as you can see, I'm going to hit 87 octane. There's the nozzle. So it's 87. You're just topping the car off. Put the fuel saver in first, then top the car off and let it mix up. When I'm done fueling the car, we'll stop the video. We're gonna drive 100 miles. I'm gonna show you what my starting distance to empty is, and then we're gonna drive 100 miles, and we're gonna see just how much we've actually gained. I'm driving to Sequoia National Park. This is a 4-hour trip. It's 333 miles one direction. So we get about 100 miles into the video, and I'm going to show you just how much of a difference it'll make, and then I'm going to tell you secret 2. And with that being said, I will be right back. All right, so thanks for sticking around. I appreciate it. I just filled up the car. It took just over 6 gallons. It wasn't that empty. But what I want to show you is my distance to empty right now. So right now, let me reset my my MPG. So right now it says I can travel 436 miles. I do believe the gas tank on this car is 18.5 or 19.5 gallons. You'd think I'd know. I raced the damn thing. But so what we're gonna do is we're gonna drive 100 miles, and then we're going to check my distance to empty again, and I will show you that I've driven 100 miles, and I'm gonna show you what my distance to empty is. And again, on the highway, the Charger that I'm driving is supposed to get about 30 miles to the gallon, 21 around the city, and a combined of 24. So once we get that done, then I'm going to show you the final trick where you can actually make some money back on every purchase you make. So I will be right back. All right, so we're on the freeway. See, I have got my cruise control set at 75 miles an hour. We are currently getting 32 miles to the gallon, 31, and my air conditioner's on. So in 100 miles, Oh, and I'm still at 432 miles till apparently I run out of gas. Let's see what happens in 100 miles. I'll be right back. Okay, so from my home, we drove through to Tehachapi, which is, it's got some pretty good hills on there. Which is up took the 14 to the 58 through to Tehachapi, came back down and dropped into Bakersfield. And let me show you now where we are at. I got my GPS in the way. Here we go. So 75 miles an hour. I've driven 103 miles. My average is 32.5 miles to the gallon at 75 miles an hour. My air conditioner is still on. You're gonna love this. I think we said we started with a distance to empty of 436. I have 443 miles. So I have driven 104 miles. It just flipped. And I've got 443 miles left. So that's 47 miles on a tank of fuel. 547 miles. Because I put a $6 bottle of Lucas 3X octane booster into my tank before we left. Trick number 2 for you. Get the GetUpside gas app. I took a screenshot. I will superimpose it right now. And as you can see, my gas station is offering 35 cents a gallon cash back just on every day with GetUpside. Plus I have a 20-cent bonus on top of that. So I'm getting 55 cents a gallon cash back for every gallon I put into this car. Now, when I get back from Sequoia, or I should say when me and Clinton, don't say it, all right, say it.
Go Rams.
When we get back from Sequoia, we'll have driven 500 miles and on one tank of gas, and I won't be on empty. According to this, I can go over 500 miles. So then when I fill up, I'll have that 55-cent bonus, because it'll be good for, because I have a second one, it'll be good for 24 hours. I'll fill the car up with just to round it up, 20 gallons. So I'll get back $21 on that fill up just because of the app. So first trick of the trade, if you're doing a lot of highway driving or even city driving, fill up your car, or when you fill up your car, buy a bottle of the Lucas 3X octane booster. If you don't remember what it looks like, just scroll back to the beginning of the video. Put it in your tank and then fill up your car. It does treat 25 gallons, so if you've got a smaller car like a Corolla, or hell, even a Prius or something like that, or what have you, then if your gas tank's only 14 gallons, well, then you're probably good for a couple of fill-ups. And then absolutely get the GetUpside gas app. I'll put the link down in the description. I'll put the promo code down into the description. So when you sign up with the promo code, not only will you get whatever discount that the gas station is offering, but you'll also get an additional 20 cents on top of that simply for using the promo code. And there are no credit cards needed, no bank accounts needed. You just download the app, follow the instructions, enter that promo code, and start saving some money. So there you go. The car said it would go 436 miles. Now 108 miles into this trip, I'm at 33. It just flipped to 33 miles to the gallon. And I've still got 447 miles to go now, is what it's reading. I'm sorry, 442. So that fuel additive and the GetUpside gas app should save you quite a bit of money. So I hope I gave you a couple of good tips and tricks of the trade. Thank you again for watching the video. And as always, be safe, be professional, keep it real, drive on. And until next time, thanks for watching. Remember to hit that thumbs up button. And I wish you all the best of health. Until next time, my friends.